Hey fashion lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix an elastic like a pro. You know the way foreigners elastic look like when you get an already made dress that has an elastic on the sleeve or wherever. The way it's always looking different from the actual way some of us in Nigeria or some of us smaller designers still fix our own. So that's what I want to teach you today. If this is your first ever time coming across any of my videos, my name is Kim Goodness. I'm the creative director of Crocs Atelier, and this is Crocs Bead Workshop. Welcome once again. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on our notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the first to see. Share our videos to your friends and families. Comment, ask questions, encourage me in the comment section by asking questions, and also I want to see your comments. I also want to see you recreate what I teach. It will encourage me to do more. Thank you so much. So let's get straight into this video. So guys, for this video, we're making use of this taffeta fabric, taffeta lining, and a 1/2 inch elastic, right? So the first thing we need to do is to take it to the sewing machine mouth. Then can you see what I'm doing? Okay, I'm going to have to just do this. Place this very close here. Can you see? Just leave a tiny space. Then put this here. Do you understand? Fix your thread correctly. Then hold it down with the needle. After you have held it down, now you drag your elastic. Do you understand? Hold your fabric to be straight also. Ouch. Sorry. Make sure you notch first. Then start by dragging your fabric. Can you see that? We are dragging our fabric. Sorry, our elastic. After doing that, we notch here again. Then we take it off. Can you see that? Take the elastic off, right? Let's just leave the elastic for now. What we need to do right now is to take our fabric and our elastic, open it up, then twin fold it. Can you see this? We're going to have to twin fold this. Firstly, we would hold this down correctly. Then we drag this open, right? Then now we twin fold. Can you see that? When you twin fold it, it will look impeccable. Just make sure your fabric is open, please. You should not be having this elastic squeeze. As soon as you start sewing, start dragging back. Do you see that? Let me give you a close shot to this part here. Can you see this? Can you see how I'm dragging this open? Can you see this? Can you see this? You make sure you open it up before twin folding. Open it as you are twin folding, be dragging your elastic so that your fabric will be as straight as it was earlier. So this is just what we keep doing until we round this up. Can you see how neat this is? So, can you see how this looks? See what this looks like. If you look at any already made dress that has an elastic by the sleeve, you see that this is how it's always looking. The elastic is not always looking too tight. This technique will not allow your elastic to look too tight, number one. Secondly, it will be very, can you see how neat it is? And your elastic will not slack easily. Unlike the one that we have to keep dragging and dragging with safety needles, and your safety pin keep piercing your hand or coming out of the fabric and wasting your time. This is easier. Can you see how this, let me give you a close shot. Can you see how this looks? Look at. So now if somebody wears this right now, it just fits. Can you see this? You see this, right? So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, invite your friends, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Let me show you this again before I go. See this? Bye.